so glad you stopped by. If this is your first time, welcome to Edye's WW Kitchen. My goal is to give you tasty stuff that is Weight Watchers friendly. It can help you on your journey to better health and have yummy food to eat along the road. So, if you haven't already, subscribe. I come out with quite a few videos and I try my best to make them fun and interesting and over and above everything, delicious and Weight Watchers friendly. So, if that's interesting to you, stay tuned. I decided that I'm going to do a really quick video on one of my favorite salads. Here's the deal. In the 1980s, maybe late 70s, there was a very popular Jell-O salad. It was Jell-O mixed with cottage cheese, sour cream, Mandarin Oranges, well, I used orange Jell-O, Mandarin Oranges, pineapple, and Cool Whip. So, it's about 10,000 points. I haven't figured the points. It's just a relative guess. So, today we're going to make a Weight Watchers friendly version. This makes an enormous amount of food. I'm going to show you what it is that's required. There's at least 10 1 cup, 1.5 cup servings in there. And guess what, people? 2 points. 2 points per serving for this delightful tastiness. Once you see this, you're going to want to take it on every picnic, on every cookout, on every tailgate or whatever. I've never done that. Sounds like fun. And you're going to be like, I am having a sweet treat, and it's 2 points. So here's what you're going to need. Okay, for this Weight Watchers friendly salad, you're going to need 2 boxes of sugar-free orange Jell-O. You're going to need 1 package of the Kroger fat-free cottage cheese, 2 cans of Pineapple Tidbits in pineapple juice, and 2 cans of Mandarin Oranges in orange juice. You're also going to need 1 tub of Kroger fat-free whipped topping, and you're going to need some fat-free plain Greek yogurt. Now let's show you how it all comes together. This recipe comes together so quickly, you're going to wonder why you've never done it before, and you're going to want to do it every time. You will go anywhere that needs a nice little salad. You're going to take your cottage cheese and you're going to dump it in a bowl. Da-dum, da-dum. Dumping, dumping. Then you're going to take an equal amount of your fat-free yogurt and just dump it in a bowl, in the bowl that the cottage cheese was in, so that you have equal amounts. And you dump that in there. Okay? Then you take your Jell-O and you're going to dump that in there as well. And then you're going to just stir that together. You don't have to worry about anything. No folding necessary at this point. You just stir it together so that the Jell-O is pretty equally distributed. Doesn't take very long. You just don't want clumps of powder in there. Okay, then you're going to take your drained fruit. You're going to dump it in there. Stir that up. And then you're going to take your whipped topping, make sure it's thawed, because if it's frozen you'll have bumps and lumps of whipped topping. And you're going to fold that in. Why do you fold it in, do you want to know? Because this is full of air and you don't want it to collapse. So you just gently fold the food into the whipped cream. It takes some time, but it will make it nice and fluffy. You want to make sure you get all the way to the bottom of the bowl so that you're not missing anything. Nothing's worse than getting to the bottom of the bowl and having a bunch of stuff without whipped cream in it. And trust me, it's worth the time to wait until it is properly thawed, because it's really hard to get those lumps of whipped cream out of there. And that, my friends, is it. Look at that. That is it.